Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm super fine. How are you feeling these days?
Sir, I feeling very good.
Okay, how the things are going on? I mean, how is going on your study?
Sir, my study is going very well.
Okay, that how much time you reserve for English? But how much time you study English at home?
Sir, I study in at home 1 hour.
Means how much time is necessary to improve English?
And sir, 2-3 hours daily.
2-3 hours daily necessary. What do you think about this class? Is this class good for learning?
Sir, I feel this class is very good for learning, and this class is best for beginners.
Okay, could you speak some positive and some negative points of this class?
Sir, the positive things in this class, the coaching class has a many facilities
Yes.
like projector,
Yes.
projector board,
Yes.
and many other things.
Yes.
And the
Negative?
negative things is the coaching class is a nearby temple and main road.
Yes.
So this class has a lot of disturbance.
Yes, really. I'm agree with you. I think I wanted to speak the same that this coaching is near about temple and near of main road. That is why it is a background noise in our video and always be do not sit properly with peace. That's the biggest drawback of this area. But everything is all right. But we will try to solve this problem. Okay. That I want to ask you one thing. What is your suggestion for the beginners? If any student is a beginner, Hindi medium, he doesn't know very much English, he knows little bit English. What is your suggestion for them so that he can improve his English?
Sir, my suggestion is for beginners.
Hmm.
So if you are beginner, so you study daily and properly,
Yeah.
and attend the coaching class regularly,
Hmm.
and give 1 hours daily, in
Of
daily
course. Daily at home.
daily at home.
Okay. What do you think about these activities? In the class, there are so many activities. Sometimes stage performance, stage presentation, and debate, and conversation, and group discussion, and peer conversation. Which activity, and sometimes translation, sentence translation, story translation. Which activity you like most, and which is the most important activity according to you?
Sir, I like conversation most,
Yeah.
and conversation and translating sentence,
Yeah.
and talk about new topics are
Okay.
very important for
Really, I think
learning
this
English.
way, when we discuss on new topics, we increase our thoughts. Okay, we increase our thoughts. Generally, the people have no problem. The people have no English problem. Listen carefully. People have no English problem. People have thoughts problem. When they stand for speaking, they have no thoughts. Not only in English, but also in Hindi. That's why the people have a thoughts problem. Okay, and what is your which kinds of difference you observe in yourself between previous day and today? What kinds of difference you observe in yourself? What is your experience of previous day in the class when you came first day in this class, and how do you feel today? What kinds of difference you observe in yourself?
Sir, I feel, sir, when I नहीं sir, जब मैं
When?
when I came this coaching class,
Hmm.
so I feel I am very
I felt.
I felt
Hmm.
I felt I am very weak in English,
Hmm.
and then this day I feel very good because I am able to speak in English.
Very good. Okay, so you are feeling well.
Well,
What is your expectation of your family member? What are the expectations of your family member? What does your mother want? What does your father want? Are you fulfilling their expectation?
my parents wants to me become a successful person in my life, and
They are sure that you will be definitely be a successful person.
yes, sir.
If they are sure means you will definitely be. Okay. Yes. And are you sure in yourself?
Yes, sir.
If your
I am
parents
sure.
are right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you live up to hope? क्या तुम उम्मीद पे खरा उतरोगी?
Yes.
Will you live up to their hope? Okay.
Yes,
उनकी
I
उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरना है आपको.
live up.
Okay.
Live up.
Live up to hope. Okay. And do you know the story of history? Then Arjun and other brothers and Guru Dronacharya
Yes.
were standing there, and that it was the time of competition, and the competition was that who will Who will prick arrow in the eye of bird? Sparrow. Who will prick the arrow in the eye of sparrow? Then Dronacharya asked one by one all the disciple or all the brother of Arjun that what you see here. Then some of them told, I see Guruji, you and plant and tree and all my brothers. But ultimately he asked Arjun, Arjun, what are you noticing? What are you seeing? That Arjun said, I am watching only eye of the sparrow. And then Dronacharya allowed him to leave immediately that Arjun was winner in that competition. Means in the life for success, we have to focus on our goal, on our target. We should not watch here and there what is going on outside. Okay, feel in your school.
Sir, I feel very good in my school because my school is matchless.
Okay, I want to ask one thing. Can students of any school, Hindi medium school, government school, can learn speaking English without any coaching?
Of course, sir, via mobile and via internet and English magazines, English newspaper.
Okay, I am agree with you. Then why did you join this class? When that all the student can learn without coaching, then why did you join this class?
Sir, because I felt
Let other students join this class.
I am very weak in English and I was not
Now you are
able
able to speak English. You are talking. You have been talking to me since long time. Okay, means you can speak English. Okay, and learning is unstoppable, continue process. Now you have some problems and you are getting stuck while speaking, but in future you will speak with fluency. Okay, don't worry about that. So as far as that school is concerned, that school has a subject is only English subject, but not spoken English. Language class is a different class. In the English class, we read chapters, lessons, and we complete and learn question answer. It is also helpful, but for speaking, we need regular and more practice. Okay. Okay. Would you like to leave any message? Koi sandesh?
sir, I would like to tell the students
Hmm.
um, practice make you perfect. So you practice.
Very good. Clap. Okay. Very good. Chalo,